Hi everyone. So here this is Shiva Mohan. So I'm a full stack trainer and I worked for 3 years in the corporate sector. So currently what you're going to learn in the full stack development uh, technology. So it's mainly about Python full stack. Okay. So how many technologies are included here? So here, if you want to use any type of application, so we need front end, back end, and also the database. So mainly see here, so I'm going to explain here how many technologies we need to learn. Like here, there are some technologies are here I am mentioned. So that is the first one is HTML. So it's a hypertext markup language. So by using of this one, we can able to create the web pages easily. And next one is CSS. CSS is nothing but it is a style cascading style sheets. So by using of this cascading style sheet we are going to be develop some websites and add addition of the styling. Okay, so coming to the JavaScript part, so mainly I'll be going to explain once I complete this PPT. So JavaScript is nothing but it's a dynamic programming language. Once we use this programming or else scripting language, we can able to uh, design the dynamic websites. So next one is coming here, like JavaScript is this is the library. Okay, JavaScript library is a React, and Angular is nothing but Angular. If any technology you can able to learn in the front end part. So what is the front end and what is the back end we will also discuss. So coming here in this Bootstrap is it is related to the CSS framework. Okay, so Bootstrap when we are using for to develop the responsive websites. Okay, it is compatible to the all the development of mobile devices and also websites, tablets. So it is completely responsive. JavaScript is a library, is React JS, and Angular is a nothing but it's a framework. Okay, so where we are using this Django is nothing but it is the Python framework. Basically, this is we are using at the backend environment. So based on this, we can create the applications. Okay, Python, the Django, and this is the database. Database why we are using database, whether it is SQL, MySQL, MongoDB. We are many databases are right now we are using in the real time. So that is why backend we need to learn Python and along with the Django. So this is a storage like database we required. See here, every user right now we are using some of the devices, mobile phones, laptops, desktops. Okay, these data is completely stored in the format of some collection of an objects. So that collection of objects we are storing in such a way we are using some databases. Okay, to access the databases we need some server. So server it's some of the technology, some of the main MNCs, like they are used to create the server in the backend. So they'll give some access to us by by paying some premium amount. So as whether it is Amazon, Azure, so we can able to deploy the application into these cloud services. Okay, it is completely for the storage and it is giving some server. Okay, see how we are using these all the technologies in the front end. So rest of this figure is completely represent about how develop the VR full stack application. So users are nothing but HTML, CSS, and Vue. These are the all are the front end frameworks we are using for the front end to show something to the user. Okay. Next one is Node. Node is a backend environment. So here we are using Django, Express, whatever it is. Okay. Database model. So actually here it is a Firebase. You can able to use Django. Okay. Nothing but Django. Data analytics, some external servers. If you want to check whether some servers, how it is running, and how many people are some traffics and networks, we can able to use of the other tools as well. But here we are only gonna explain about the front end, back end, and also the database process. So when compared to the other full stack development technologies, here we are having SQLite. SQLite is nothing but it's a MVT architect. So mostly all the full stack applications are MVC architect. It is working like MVC, model view controller. But here in the Python we are using model view template architect. Okay. So model view template, it is mainly we are using to develop any type of application. Here one advantage is SQLite. SQLite, it is helpful for us to, without writing more code, so we can able to access the um, backend resources. Okay, so that is why we are simply we are using going for the Django learning. So it is a Python, like Python along with the React JS is nothing but which is like front end environment. Okay, so based on this we are able to develop an applications nowadays. Python is very popular. Why? Because we are using in many applications data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and also currently we are using in the full stack as well. Okay, the job opportunities are heavy when we are moving into any Python. And then front end part, if we are going to be front end like only, so you will be able to see web development, uh, and full stack development also. You can able to work in many type of like you can get many opportunities on the technology basis: backend developer, front end developer, database developer, so Django developer. Okay, many opportunities are there. So these gonna technologies are very useful for your career when you are starting at the first time. Okay, so completely this technology you can able to learn from the scratch. It is not about how many like people are completed computer science background. So anyone can able to learn these technologies, and also they'll get some understand about how the technology is working and how we develop the full stack based applications. Okay, so thank you.